Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram.
Today, we are going to discuss the details of unit circle. We are all familiar with special triangle 45, 45, 90. And we know the ratio of the sides of this triangle, 1, 1 and root 2. The unit circle has a radius of 1 unit. Therefore, its adjacent and the opposite side will be 1 over root 2 and 1 over root 2. Now we can easily find the trigonometric values of 45-degree angle. Cosine 45 will be adjacent over hypotenuse, or 1 over root 2 divided by 1. It will be equal to 1 over root 2. Sine 45 degree will be equal to opposite over hypotenuse, or 1 over root 2 over 1, which will give us 1 over root 2. Tan 45 degree will be equal to opposite over adjacent, or 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2, which will give us 1. Similarly, we can look at another special triangle, 30, 60, 90. We know the ratio of the sides are 1, root 3, and 2. As the radius of the unit circle is 1, we need to divide all sides by 2. Therefore, opposite side will be 1/2 and adjacent will be root 3/2. Now we can easily calculate the trig ratios of 30 degree. Cosine 30 degree will be adjacent over hypotenuse, or root 3/2 over 1, which will give us root 3/2. Sine 30 degree will be opposite over hypotenuse, or 1/2 over 1, which will give us 1/2. Tan 30 degree will be opposite over adjacent, or 1/2 divided by root 3/2, which will give us 1 over root 3. We can simplify this by multiplying top and bottom by root 3, and we will get root 3 over 3. By following the same technique, we can find the trigonometric values of 60-degree angle. We know the side ratios of 60, 30, 90 triangle. Side opposite to 30 is 1 unit, side opposite to 60 degree is root 3, and side opposite to 90 is 2 units. As the radius of the unit circle is 1, we need to divide all sides by 2. Therefore, opposite side to 60 degree will be root 3/2, and adjacent side to 60 degree will be 1/2. Now we can easily find the trigonometric values of 60 degree. Cosine 60 degree will be adjacent over hypotenuse, or 1/2 divided by 1, which will give us 1/2. Sine 60 degree is opposite over hypotenuse, or root 3/2 divided by 1, which will give us root 3/2. Tan 60 degree will be opposite over adjacent, or root 3/2 divided by 1/2, which will give us root 3.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
If we need to find the trigonometric values of angle greater than 90 degree, then we need to again use special triangles. For example, if we want to find the trigonometric values of 120 degree, we can still use the special triangle 30, 60, 90. As the radius of unit circle is 1, opposite side to 60 degree is root 3/2, and adjacent side to 60 degree is -1/2. Cosine of 120 degree will be adjacent over hypotenuse, or -1/2 divided by 1, which will give us -1/2. Sine of 120 degree will be opposite over hypotenuse, or root 3/2 divided by 1, which will give us root 3/2. Tan of 120 degree is opposite over adjacent, or root 3/2 divided by -1/2, which will give us -root 3. By following this technique, we can fill out the entire unit circle x-coordinate are the cosine values and the y-coordinates are the sine values. In the first quadrant, both cosine and sine values are positive, whereas in the second quadrant, cosine values are negative and the sine values are positive. We can easily find these values in the third quadrant by simply taking a reflection from the first quadrant across the origin. That will make both cosine and sine values negative. In the fourth quadrant, we can again find the values by taking a reflection across the origin from the second quadrant onto the fourth quadrant. That will give us positive cosine values and negative sine values.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.